is
Agad-agad.
Miss Grand Venezuela.
Agad-agad. Uy, teka lang naman. Kakulay ni Emma yung stage. Kakulay ko rin. Sana mag-manifest. At nagmamadali na sila ngayon. Ibabigay kaya ang back-to-back? Or is it Thailand?
The third runner-up is Miss Grand Ghana.
Oh, wow! Oh my goodness! Oh, wow! Wait lang, kinakabahan ako, punyeta. Alas 7 pa lang ng morning.
Second
Ang
runner-up
bilis!
is Miss Grand Spain.
Oh, putang ina! Tayo na! Oh my God, top 2! Oh my God, ay, is it Thailand? Oh my God, yung roommate, yung mag-roommate ang natira. Uy, ang bilis. Teka lang naman, bagalan nyo. Oh my God, orange and white yung background. Orange and white ang background.
Will be Miss
Meant for
Grand
them.
International 2025. Make some noise for your favorite queen, ladies and
Oh
gentlemen.
my God.
Make some noise.
Thailand kaya? History ang mangyayari kung Thailand or Philippines. It's gonna be history. Either of the result. Oh my God. Is it first back-to-back history and MGI or first crown for Thailand? Again, we are happy for both. But Emma did it so well. Oh my God. Hanip. Oh, bakit ganun yung hawak? Dapat ganun, di ba? So, sana sa Philippines. Yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Grand International 2025.
Baka Thailand yan. Nanginginig ako.
Miss
Thailand.
Grand Philippines.
Oh, putang ina, back to back. Putang ina, putang ina. Putang ina, back to back. Putang ina, back to back. Naiiyak ako.
Congratulations, Miss Grand
Putang ina, back to back.
Philippines, our new queen, Miss Grand International 2025.
Oh my God. Back to back. Shit. Shit. Nilalagnat ako. Putang ina yung mga bakla. Nilalagnat ako. Way back to back.
Congratulations once again, a fantastic performance here.
Oh,
This
wow.
year, taking home the crown is Miss Grand Philippines. That, of course,
Oh,
means
wow.
that their first runner-up is Miss Grand Thailand.
Hindi mo lang sinabi ng host na back to back. Oh my God, Emma. Punyeta.